Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are doing an analytics video. So basically we're gonna be hopping out of Minecraft and onto my very own channel dashboard. For those that don't know what the dashboard is, it's basically this. One sec guys. So this is where all the most important bits about your channel are, like how well your video's doing, or like how many subs you have, or the summary for the last 28 days. So this is very useful. I look at this like every single day and it just helps keep track of everything. So I'll be breaking it down, everything for you guys, showing everything down, because I know most of you haven't seen a channel dashboard before. But before we hop in, make sure to subscribe, because we are on the road to 2,000 subs. We hit 1.8 thousand subs last night. So thank you so much for that. I might do something for 2k subs. I'm not sure yet. I haven't done anything since like 500 subs, which is so long ago. But we've just been crushing through these sub goals, and it's just been insane for the past, what? January, February, March, April, May, June. 6 months. Insane last 6 months. We grew tremendously, and it will literally show on my analytics. So let's hop into it. But also let's hit 50 likes on this video. We crushed 40 likes last video, so let's get 50. Come on guys, we can get it, we can do it. Okay, so this is the dashboard. So let's break it down. Let's start from last video performance. So this video was about 6 minutes long. So you might see the average view duration is really low, but it's to be expected because the video is really short. But yeah, but the video did pretty well. 5 of 10. You can see my top videos there. So it ranges from 400 views to down to 200 views. So that's a really big range, but you know, it's a normal YouTube thing. And the last video did average 313 views so far in nearly 19 hours, so I'm pretty happy with that. Important notifications: I got accepted into the partner program at 9:56. So basically I already monetized some videos. You probably won't see any ads on this video. I might add some like banner ads or something, but I definitely won't add pre-rolls because I honestly just hate them, and I don't want you guys to suffer through it as well. But yeah, so next thing is the channel analytics for the past 28 days. So you can see in the last 28 days I grew by 259 subs. So that is really good. That's like what, 15% in the last 28 days. So that's insane. In the last 28 days we also gained 31.9 thousand views, 32,000 views. And my typical range was 3.5 to 7.5 thousand views. So we absolutely crushed it by like 3 or 4 times over. So that's actually insane. We got 1.1 thousand watch hours. It went like 5 times over from the last months. So that's actually insane. Yeah, revenue's pretty new. I literally just got it, so it will say 0. But it probably won't say more than like £10. So yeah, well, it's not important. Top videos in the last 48 hours. So top performing videos are top 3 best Hypixel Skyblock servers. How much I make from YouTube, so that's like the most recent video, and the top 3 best MCPE faction servers. So that video has about 8,000 views, so it's actually doing really well. And the Hypixel Skyblock has about 5,000 if I'm not mistaken, so that's doing really good as well. Published videos, you can see how my last 4 videos are doing. So you can see like 34 likes, 50 likes, 52 likes, 41 likes. So that's really good. On the top videos, on the top 3 server videos, not many people drop a like. I don't know why, but you know, it's alright. You can see the latest comments, so shout out if you're here, shout out to you guys. You can see the recent subscribers. You can see my top subscribed subscriber has 92,000 subs. So that's so big, like GG to you. Hopefully I can be that big one day. So let's hop onto the actual analytics. So there we go. Hopefully nothing, okay, there's nothing I shouldn't be showing here. So that's pretty good. But yeah, so this is the overall analytics. You can see everything here in detail. So I'll be dropping through every single thing, hopefully. But yeah, so over here you can see the views. You can see how many views per day I get, and I typically range over 1,000 views. So that's actually insane. 1,000 views per day. That is crazy. Watch hours, you can see my watch hours per day. Whenever I release a video, it goes up. But this one didn't really go up, but you know what, I don't care. And you can see every time I uploaded, I missed a few days. You can see I missed an upload here. I missed 1, 2, 3 days here. That's really bad. But yeah, you can see subscribers, how many subscribers I gained per day. 10, 6, 12, 5, 5, 6, and down to 3, and the most I gained 23 after a giveaway video. Yep, that's obvious. But there's also this treasure hunt that gained me 17 subs, but I'm pretty sure it's not just from this video. But yeah, so top videos in this period are, wait, is this 48 hours or 28? No, last 28 days. So these are the videos that gained the most views in the last 28 days, I'm pretty sure. But I'm not really sure. And you can see in the last 48 hours I gained 2,063 views. And you can see my views update like every hour. So that's pretty cool. So estimated revenue, obviously nothing there. So reach. So this is how many times my video popped up on people's recommended and on the screen. So you can see in the last 28 days, 203,000, nearly 250,000. So that's insane. And yesterday, 7,371. Impressions through click rate. So how many people clicked through the impressions? So 10% is, what was it yesterday? 7,000. So 700 people clicked my video. So that's a lot. Views, you can see, you already saw the graph. And unique viewers is how many unique people watched my videos. So you can see it ranges from about 600 up to about 1,000. So that's a lot. Next thing is a traffic source type. You can see that most of my views come from YouTube search. Then YouTube browse features, channel pages, suggested videos, and down to others, which I'm pretty sure is like Discord and stuff. And you can see here, traffic source external, yes. So the 2.1% of my traffic comes from Discord, Bing.com, YouTube, Google search, and Yahoo search. Imagine using Yahoo. That's terrible. And my top traffic playlist is SD Craft, uploads from Romad, Quantum, Pika, and Aether. YouTube searches, SD Craft. Okay. Romad, MCPE Skyblock, MCPE Faction. So that's pretty sure that's top 3 faction servers. And SD Craft Factions. So that's my playlist and my other videos. And suggested videos is literally that. So that's it. Engagement. So you can see my watch hours. You're pretty sure you saw that. This is a really confusing graph. I don't get it myself. And over here you can see how much of the video actually people watched. So at 30 seconds, 62% of people watched it, but it quickly went down. So this is like normal for every channel. You can see it's around 30% and it just drops down. So that's pretty good. Some of the videos obviously did worse than others, like this one. So like it's down to like 10%, but you know what? I don't care. Top videos, watch hours. So top 3 Hypixel servers. Okay, so the factions actually got more views, but the Hypixel Skyblock actually gained more watch hours. So that's pretty weird. So it gained 97 hours, 77, 77 again. So the last thing that's most important is the returning viewers and the new viewers. So you can see that I gained more views from new viewers than returning viewers. So you can see here, when I uploaded, I got 376 from returning and nearly 500 from new viewers. So new viewers are welcome, you know. Like, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. So the last few important things are the bell notifications. So I've got 610 people that have bell notifications on all notifications. So that's 34% of my subs. And about 402 have all notifications with YouTube notification enabled, so that actually pops up on your screen when I upload. So if you haven't already, make sure you press that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. And that makes up around 22% of my subs. And over here, watch time from viewers, watch time from subscribers. It's 71.8% from people that aren't subscribed. If you're not subscribed, why not you're not subscribed? Make sure to subscribe. And only 28.2% from subscribed. So pretty sure that's it. Revenue is not possible because it's really new. But yeah, so that is the analytics video. If you didn't find interesting, make sure you subscribe. Hopefully it taught you some things. It definitely taught me some things. I haven't looked at it for a while. But yeah, so if you want any other channel videos, any other analytics or anything, make sure to tell me. Let's hit 50 likes. And give me any other videos you want me to see on Minecraft or outside Minecraft maybe. And I might do them. So it's been your boy Romad here on another non-Minecraft video, and I'll see you guys back in next video, maybe in Minecraft. So see you guys.